English-Czech past tense. I made.
Udělal jsem.
Welcome. Hey you, ready to make Czech past tense easy and fun? Let's kick off with a smile and a quick win. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly language sidekick. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, freebies, and practice tools. Today you'll hear short, funny lines and quick drills so you can actually say the Czech phrases out loud. High five in advance. Your goal today. You'll learn 7 super usable phrases and the tiny trick behind them. Czech has a duo.
Dělat.
To do, make, ongoing, vs.
Udělat.
To do, make, completed. Wheel nail. I made.
Udělal jsem.
You did.
Udělal si.
She made.
Udělala.
It made.
To udělalo.
Plus the team flavors. You, plural, did.
Dělali jste.
And they made.
Oni dělali.
Say them out loud with me. Funny mini scene. Listen in and repeat the Czech parts. Yes, out loud, you've got this. I stare at a cake like a champion and whisper, I made it.
Udělal jsem.
I point at you like a proud coach, you did it.
Udělal si.
Our star baker enters, she made it.
Udělala.
Applause. We flip a magic switch, it made a difference.
To udělalo.
Rozdal. Cheesy grin optional. The root that powers it all. To do, to make.
Dělat.
Remember it like your to-do engine. I address the whole squad. You, plural, did great.
Dělali jste.
Ch.9. Report time. They made steady progress.
Oni dělali.
Pokrok. Bonus team shout. We did it.
Udělali jsme to.
Confetti cannon. Pattern drill. Quick call and response. Repeat the Czech answers after the pause. Say, I made. Answer.
Udělal jsem.
Say, you did, singular. Answer.
Udělal si.
Say, she made. Answer.
Udělala.
Say, it made. Answer.
To udělalo.
Say, you, plural, did. Answer.
Dělali jste.
Say, they made. Answer.
Oni dělali.
Say, the base verb, to do, make. Answer.
Dělat.
Grammar pop. Tiny trick, big win. Here's the secret sauce in 1 minute, no grammar headache. Think action versus result.
Dělat.
Is ongoing like, was doing.
Udělat.
Is completed like, made, did. The past adds endings. I equals LJSEM.
Udělal jsem.
You, SG, equals LJSI.
Udělal si.
She equals, L.
Udělala.
It equals, low.
To udělalo.
You, place, equals, Lee JSTE.
Dělali jste.
They equals, Lee.
Oni dělali.
Penguin wearing an apron says it best, mission complete. Lightning quiz. Answer fast, then check yourself with the reveal. Q1. How do you say, I made, in Czech? A.
Udělal jsem.
Q2. Say, you did, to one friend. A.
Udělal si.
Q3. What's the base verb, to do, make? A.
Dělat.
Q4. She made? A.
Udělala.
Q5. It made a difference? Start with, it made. A.
To udělalo.
Q6. You, plural, did? A.
Dělali jste.
Q7. They made? A.
Oni dělali.
Culture tip. Sound natural with a tiny switch in mindset. Czechs lean on aspect for meaning. If the result matters, go perfective, we did it.
Udělali jsme to.
If you're describing activity or effort, imperfective fits. They made dinner, they were making, doing it.
Oni dělali.
When in doubt for a finished one-off, try.
Udělat.
For general habits or ongoing action, use.
Dělat.
Your speaking challenge. Time to own it out loud. Record yourself if you can. Describe yesterday in 5 lines, using each form once. 1. I made.
Udělal jsem.
2. You did, to one friend.
Udělal si.
3. She made.
Udělala.
4. It made.
To udělalo.
5. You, plural, did.
Dělali jste.
Then add a line with, they made.
Oni dělali.
Finish with the root.
Dělat.
Bonus comedy prompt. Pretend a robot finished your chores and proudly says,
To udělalo.
Visako. Now you reply with a victory whisper.
Udělali jsme to.
Exclamation mark quote. Thanks and next steps. Nice work, your Czech just leveled up. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing these lines all day, mirror talk counts. For more bite-sized lessons, transcripts, and interactive drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. You did great.
Dělali jste.
Skvěl. See you next time.